I think most people like to store their money, but don't pile up a lot of goods you wanna clean around the New Year. 年末掃除ね、もう忙しくなるから、ちょっとずつ、clean it one by one, day after day. It's good for you. 今回こちらの、so first, please remember, shut off the power. And last time I cleaned the filter by electric cleaner. This time I'm gonna clean. Okay, let me show you. This is a water tank. That's there. You just rinse it, okay?こちらのまあ拭いてね、拭いてバシバシでね、これ OK。一つ。次は next、こちらの、there is a water vessel on the bottom of the これね just pull it off. Oh, many dirty. First, I should wash this container, this water container. I washed and the water just please have a look at this これ何ですかな like a water filter according to the advisor of maker the maker suggested their user to clean this water filter every season's use. Maybe season's use. こちらのこのスポンジのものね、一番いいの方はこれクエン酸、このクエン酸使って、usually we like to use juice to clean many goods, many parts of the body. For the water, この水のこのdirty ね、クエン酸 is best. You just use 1 or 2 small sponges of クエン酸。Put this sponge in another この ケースとか or you just put it with this container together in any washing sink シンクにそのまま入れても or just use this put it with a little cleanser soak it in bathroom directly 何でもいいですよ maybe 30 minutes is enough これですねこれそうしてThis time for this short film, I can't wait for 30 minutes, so I have an replacement. I use it. Okay. Then replace. Okay, I forgot. You can. I suggest, please. こちらね clean the inside as you like I clean inside the inside only I think some few wet tissue is enough just clean it as far as possibleこれね拭いて中身も拭いてほらこの奥は it's impossible you can't touch this maybe this metal parts okay ここだけでこちらで拭いたら OK So, clean the filter every 2 weeks. And rinse the water container every 2 weeks or longer. Use cleanser. Okay. Clean this water sponge every use. Then very simple. じゃーん